Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LinkedIn alumni networking with messaging templates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate LinkedIn alumni networking with messaging templates, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the search bar at the top of the homepage. Type the name of your school or university and select it from the drop-down list. On the schools page, locate the Alumni tab. Click on the Alumni tab to view the alumni network associated with your institution. Review the list of alumni to find individuals who share common interests or career goals. Use filters to narrow down your search by location, industry, or graduation year. Once you've identified potential connections, click on their profiles to learn more about them. Next, prepare a message template to use for your outreach. Start the message by introducing yourself and mentioning your shared alma mater. Express genuine interest in their professional journey or current role. Ask a specific question or make a request related to their expertise or experiences. Make sure to keep the message concise and respectful of their time. Personalize the message if possible, referring to their specific achievements or projects. Once your template is ready, copy it to your clipboard. Return to the alumni profiles you wish to contact. Click on the Connect button, then select Add a Note. Paste your message template into the text box. Before sending, double-check your message for any personal touches needed. Click the Send Invitation button to reach out. Monitor your notifications for responses from your alumni connections. Engage with your new connections by asking for advice or insights about their field. As your network grows, remember to revisit your messaging template for improvements. Consider creating additional templates for different types of outreach, like informational interviews or mentorship requests. By following these steps, you'll effectively activate LinkedIn alumni networking using messaging templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.